Ouch.
What?
Something fell on my eyes.
Yeah, you have to wear your goggles.
I don't have any.
You don't have any?
Yeah.
Safety is #1 priority. Hey Nicodemus, what will be our next episode? What do you think?
Next episode?
Next episode, what are we doing right now?
Taking the bumper off.
Okay, yes, I want to show you how to take this bumper off.
I can't get out though.
Okay, this is the bumper right here. Once again, this is a 2011 Panamera. And this bumper has parking sensors on them.
Where?
This is the parking sensors, okay? So now we're gonna have to...
Those are sensors?
Yeah, those are sensors.
What?
So here are the bolts we have here. Here's the bolt. Also here's the bolts. Okay. And also I believe we will have something underneath here. There should be a bolt too. There's also bolts underneath right here. So let's see. Is it working? Okay, just loosen them first. Throw them inside. There might be some bolts underneath here. We don't know yet, but we'll see.
Maybe.
Probably there should be some bolts inside. So we might have to take all this out before we get to our bumper. But we'll give it a try, we'll see. Let me see if I can pop this out.
So I'm finished. Done.
Okay, do the other side too. Okay, I've never done this before, so I would have to figure out. Okay, this one. See this?
Yeah.
This plate is popped out like this.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's like T20.
Yeah, probably. Okay. Did you unscrew the bumper? Okay, I'm using this right here.
Is that T20?
So we have 4 screws right here. I'm trying to see inside if there is any bolts that holding the bumper right here from inside. I mean, we have 4 screws on top. 2 are under the tail light. Nicodemus is taking them out right now. Okay, so he's done with that. Let me see if there is any bolts underneath that I see. Take the bolts.
I did.
You finished this one? Okay, good.
So
Okay.
there's these things that hold it. See that?
Now we have to. There's bolts underneath too.
That's T30. That's T30.
So we have here's the bolt. There's the bolt. It holds the bumper.
You have to take the 2 bolts off.
Everything. So far I don't see any bolts in yet.
Hand me a T20.
Try this. Lay it on the carpet. It's okay, it's okay.
There's this black thing and I have to take that off.
The bumper.
Then this.
No,
Yeah,
we'll do that later. But you have to do the bumper right here.
Yeah, I have to do that too.
Yeah.
These are. Really tight. Ouch.
What?
Something fell on my eyes.
Yeah, you have to wear your goggles.
I don't have any.
You don't have any?
Yeah.
Safety is number one priority. Don't you know that? Okay, you don't need that.
No, okay, so
Okay.
got that.
Okay, so we got that. Okay. Now we need to
Get out.
check underneath here.
Go through the bolts in.
So on the side there's another little screw right here.
I can do it. I'm gonna take off the wheels.
Yeah, it's better to take off the wheels too. It's easier to work. We'll be working underneath here.
I'm gonna try taking off the wheels.
We need to find the right
Tool.
That's gonna be in our next episode. We'll do that.
Episode 4. What?
Just next episode. Okay. Okay, do the same thing from the other side. It's okay. Just keep going.
That's deep dirty.
Other way. Hidimas, why are you tight?
I don't know.
You tighten clockwise, correct? So to untighten, what do you have to do?
Opposite.
Okay, do that. Okay, what about the other end? It's okay. Let's go. What about here?
Oh, yeah.
We have two or three in the middle.
Didn't see that. Oh, close my eyes for this.
You don't have to leave.
It doesn't fit.
So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 bolts underneath. Okay. Now we have to go from a side too.
This side.
Okay. On the side. Okay, Dimas, I think we're gonna have to pull the wheels off.
Take the wheel off.
Okay, so the bumper is pretty. It's already loose from the bottom.
There's this part.
Okay, so it's loosened from the bottom. This is what's holding. Here's the photo. Yeah, it's easier to take the wheels off. Okay. Okay, got this off. So, this is the liner that you have to push away. And okay, once we push away the liner, there is another It's gonna be, I believe it's a 20 T20 that's holding the bumper right here. Okay, you have that, Nicodemus?
What?
The T20.
It's really hot.
Okay, where's the wrench? We need the extension too. Where's the little extension? There you go.
Oh,
What happened?
it's too hot.
Come on. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to take the wheels out. I'm gonna try it out, taking the wheels out right now.
No.
Okay. Okay, so now there you go. Looks like I got 2 screws off the side. I wonder, is there anything on top? Doesn't look like it. I don't feel anything. It's probably just there is something. Okay, I'll do the other side right now.
What about this? I think.
Now this side. Okay, we have that out. So Nicodemus, at the bottom, just remember this. When you work on a car like this, at the bottom there is another screw. Okay. Okay, where's the T30? Yeah. No. Okay. Of course. Okay, so we got the bumper. Okay, I don't really understand how this comes out. Okay, I see it. Okay, I found it.
There's these things holding it.
No, there's another screw right here at the bottom. Bring a flashlight so we can show everyone. So at the bottom, I will try to show you guys. Right here there is another screw. I hope you guys can see it. It's not comfortable at all.
Oh, there is a screw.
Yep.
It's the only screw that didn't let us take it out.
Yeah.
I want to take this sign out though.
So I want to show you guys on, I want to turn the light, the flashlight. I have a flashlight right here, so you guys can actually see. Can we show it really well? Hard to see it, but there is another screw right here at the bottom. Hope you guys can see it on camera right there, right here. So we have to take that off in order for bumper to come out. Okay, let's hold it. Okay, this side should be easier. And for me, it's a new lesson too. I'm learning myself too.
You're teaching me and you're saying it's a new lesson.
Of course, I never.
I mean, this car.
I mean, cars are built similar, but also, I mean, I never done the Panamera.
Not all cars are similar.
They are pretty much similar. They just copy each other. Copyright.
Does Tesla copy? No.
Of course.
No, Tesla doesn't have gas though.
Okay. Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla is fully electric.
Full electric.
Yeah, there's no like.
True. Okay, so we got the bumper.
Tesla's the only car that's not
Okay.
the same.
Now, this is Nicodemus. This is how you pull it. So, guys, right here, you have to get this screw out in order for bumper to pull it out.
Show this.
Okay. Something else is holding.
These things are holding.
Okay, we didn't get this sound out. No wonder.
Bumper's so hard.
Okay.
How much would you sell it on eBay?
Go on the other side. Okay. Pull it out. Can you? Okay. Hold the side.
There's this thing that is, yeah.
Okay, we'll get the screw out. Oh no. Okay, this one. Okay. Just a second.
It's too hot out here.
California. California. Okay. Hold on, we have to unplug. So now you have to unplug this cable. This is the parking sensor. Okay, remember this. Oops. Sorry.
Oh, the same exact thing.
Yeah. Okay, we don't want to scratch it. Okay. Now the bumper is off.
You got some things falling in there. I don't know where they're going.
Okay.
Oh, stop. I'm back, come back.
Here's the bumper. So you guys see the bumper. We got it out right here. And I'll show you how many screws you have to take it out before you pull the bumper of the car. Some are easy, some are a little tricky to pull. But so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 total screws you need to unscrew to get it out. Oh, we don't want this bumper to fall. Hold it, Nicodemus. I want to show you guys the parking sensors are right here. We're gonna try to sell them together with the bumper. We're not gonna
How much?
sell them separately. We don't know. We gotta do the research first.
How much would it cost?
We don't know. The bumper is built in 2 sections. Nicodemus, see? There is a section at the bottom. As you guys, right here. There's a section at the bottom. Comes out separately, but we were keeping everything together. We want to sell it. So visit our description down below in this video. You'll see the link to the parts to my store where this bumper will be listed. You can always contact me through comments if you're interested of purchasing this bumper cover. It's a 2011 Porsche Panamera 4S with parking sensors. This is the bumper. So Nicodemus, we're gonna finish this episode. Did you learn anything about the bumper?
Yeah.
How to take the bumper off?